Hello, and welcome to our installation video for the Villeroy Boch shower tray Planeo with the unique material composition RockLite. The new material RockLite combines the advantages of the casted acrylic plate with an innovative height-strength carrier material with a polyurethane core, completing the back of the shower tray flat. Planeo fits in every room situation. It can be installed flush fit, on tiles, or on a base, so we can ensure top planning reliability for you. There are suitable accessories for every installation option. Villeroy Boch offers an installation set with polystyrene supports as well as a steel installation frame. The shower tray can also be installed flat with commercial tile adhesive. Also, single feet are a further option. In this video, we want to show you a corner installation. Once flat on the floor with the help of the tile adhesive and afterwards with assembly foam. The flush installation on the ground is made with the help of tile adhesive. The installation lasts approximately 60 minutes. The installation has a medium difficulty and is able to be implemented by only one person. Now you can see the tools that you will need for the installation. The wall and ground surfaces in the shower are prepared. Furthermore, the wall areas have to be sealed according to applicable standards. The installation on the ground is very simple. Arrange the shower tray on the desired position. Be aware of the 5 mm distance to the wall for the expansion joint. Now, transmit the contour of the shower tray and the position of the drain aperture on the ground. Put the shower tray out of its position again. Place the drain on the drawn position. Complement a part if necessary, and connect the drain with the downcomer. Lastly, very important, test for tightness. For achieving a secure connection of the tile adhesive with the floor, the ground should be pre-treated with deep primer as defined by the manufacturer. To achieve a waterproof connection of the shower tray, we recommend to use a sealing tape. These are all necessary installation components in the V&B set. Of course, they fulfill all the current standards. First, the sealing tape gets adhered, beginning on one corner of both sides, showing to the wall. Tip: use for pressing the tape a little wallpaper joint roller. This is included in the sealing set. Afterwards, adhesive the sound insulation tape on the sealing tape. Once the prepared surface is completely dry, you can mix the tiles glue. Don't forget to apply it completely even on the surface. Next, you cut a foil and apply it onto the whole area prepared with tile adhesive, as a separating layer between shower tray and floor. The shower tray gets applied and pressed down. Check it afterwards with the water level again. Now, you install the drain set. Insert the bracket for the drain cover, being delivered with the shower tray beneath the support ring for the drain. Then, tighten it with the enclosed bolts. Thereby, the drain pulls up to the shower tray from below and seals securely. After the installation of the shower tray, the sealing tape gets folded upwards and pressed with the seamer roller to the wall. The shower tray is protected during tiling because of the dividing bands, also enclosed in the sealing set. Also, an even gap for the subsequent siliconizing is ensured. Low-way the shower tray. Now the preparations for the tiler are finished. As of now, the second sealing work can be done in the tiling as well. Now you can remove the tile dividing bands. Low-way the shower tray. Insert the silicone round cord into the tile gap and splice it with silicone. Finally, you can remove the protection foil from the shower tray. Finished! The flush installation is made with the help of the Villeroy Boch installation frame. The installation lasts approximately 90 minutes. The installation has a medium difficulty and is able to be implemented by only one person. Here the wall and ground areas have been already prepared. Moreover, the wall must be sealed in accordance with the applicable standards. With the installation frame, you can carry a secure installation in no time. In this video, we will show you the flush fit installation. Put the two pre-mounted parts of the installation frame together and adjust the frame size to the shower tray. Adjust the frame on the four corner points. Afterwards, insert the installation frame. Align the mounting frame in such a way that the top edge is also aligned horizontally. Tip: take in consideration both the rim height of the shower tray and the height of the planned tile. Adjust the frame with the water level. Arrange the shower tray on the desired position. Be aware of the 5mm distance to the wall for the expansion joint. Now transmit the contour of the drain aperture on the ground. Put the shower tray out of its position again. Place the drain on the drawn position. Complement a part if necessary, and connect the drain with the downcomer. Tip: if the drain is slightly supported, the distance to the drain is smaller and it can get screwed together more easily. Lastly, very important, test for tightness. Fix the four corner feet to the bottom with the prepared mounting links in a second step. The remaining feet must be lowered flush to the floor in order to secure a load distribution evenly amongst the frame. The delivered middle feet is necessary to the installation since it gives on-top stability to the bottom of the shower tray. The next step is the preparation of the shower tray for installation. In case of flat installation, you must glue the sealing tape on all four rims of the shower tray. Foresee a distance of 10 to 20 millimeters to close both ends of the sealing tape. Press firmly the tape with a little wallpaper joint roller. Paste over the expansion gap with another piece of sealing tape. Cut the corners which are not in the wall surface, and mount the 3D corners. Afterwards, glue the noise tape underneath the 3D corners, one time around the shower tray. Stick down the 3D corners in the sealing tape together. Next, apply the silicone evenly and sufficiently on the frame in order to fix the shower tray. Finally, place the shower tray on the frame. Check it with the water level and weigh down. Before you install the waist, you can adjust the middle feet to right height with the pull cord while using the waist hole. Now you install the drain set. Insert the bracket for the drain cover, being delivered with the shower tray beneath the support ring for the drain. Then, tighten it with the enclosed bolts. Thereby, the drain pulls up to the shower tray from below and seals securely. Press firmly on the sealing tape in wall and floor areas and put the tiles tape on the rim of the shower tray. Now the preparations for the tiler are finished. As of now, the second sealing work can be done and the tiling as well. Now you can remove the tiling dividing bands. Low-A the shower tray. Insert the silicone round cord into the tile gap and splice it with silicone. Finally, you can remove the protection foil from the shower tray. Done! Another installation option is the one with feet. Those feet can be adjusted between 75 and 130 millimeters. The needed number of feet for the installation is indicated in the Villeroy Boch documentation and depends on the dimension of each shower tray. Please follow the installation instructions of the feet manufacturer as well. In order to place the feet correctly, you will find inserts on the back side of the shower tray. The feet must be placed on those pre-indicated positions in order to secure a perfect stability. Transfer the positions to your installation situation in order to place and adjust the feet in the right way. The shower tray Planeo is cuttable. 10 centimeters can be cut from each side in order to adapt the shower tray. Be aware of the 5mm distance to the wall for the expansion joint. The cut sides must be placed to the wall except for flat installation. We strongly recommend the cutting with a hand-held circular saw equipped with guardrail and suction. The right saw blade is crucial. Further recommendations you will find on our homepage or at your distributor. Put the shower tray on an even support. Mark the cut and place the guardrail on it. Fix it and put the guardrail in place. Don't forget your personal protective equipment. Now you can start with cutting. A regular rhythm while cutting is needed in order to reach a perfect cut. Planeo. Strong inside, light outside.